In this tutorial, I'm going to be looking at how to automatically trigger a light in Unreal Engine 5. So firstly, let's go to the content browser. Let's create a new blueprint actor. I'll call this BP_light. And we'll open this up. Then we're going to add a collision component. I'm going to go with a sphere collision here. Make this a bit bigger. Like so. And then we're going to add a light. So we'll add a point light. You can add any other light you'd like. So let's move that up a bit. And we'll change the intensity down to 0. Then we're going to go back to our collision and do begin overlap. And we'll also do end overlap. Now we're going to get our point light. I'm going to set the intensity. I'm going to set this to 5000. And we'll hook this up to the begin overlap. And we'll simply copy and paste this, and we'll set this to 0 for end overlap. So when the player walks out, it's going to turn it back off again. So we'll hit compile and save, and go back to our level, and drag this into level, and then we'll hit play. So now when the player goes into the collision box, you can see the light turns on, and when they walk out, it turns back off. And that is it, guys. That is how you trigger a light on and off in Unreal Engine 5. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.